Hi everyone, I'm Ernest with UpFix, and today I want to talk about the Toyota Highlander climate control, particularly for the years 2001 through 2007. As you can see here in front of me, these come in multiple varieties. For example, there's a black trim and a tortoise trim. It can either be an automatic or a manual climate control. This all depends on what trim the vehicle is. For example, it can come in a base, sport, or a limited edition Toyota Highlander. The primary reason these fail is the wiring inside over time begins to break, which causes unresponsive knob controls. This can affect multiple knobs, however, it's especially an issue on the temperature knob control. Now this may seem like an easy repair, however there are other components that fail on the climate control which we fully test for and repair. Since replacing the ribbon cable for the knob controls is pretty straightforward, we've seen some attempts at repairing these, which can make it very difficult to reverse the damage. If you're not certain about how to go about addressing the issues on your climate control, we're here to help to get your unit working again. Carefully pack your part and mail it in. Our certified UpFix repair technicians will repair your part and keep you up to date along each step of the repair process. Having your original one repaired is ideal since these may no longer be available new from the dealership, and a used one can have the same issues. Save money by having your original one repaired. If you like this video and would like to see more like this, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Leave your questions down in the comments below, and thanks for watching.